Park Global School Annual Report 2010-2011. Trailblazing for 3 years in the realm of quality early education, the Park Global School today celebrates a successful 3rd annual day. The enhanced vision of the founders has brought great reputation to the institution in India and overseas. The philosophy of the school is to make the teaching and learning process most enjoyable to children, enabling them to contribute happily and productively. Every child's progress is individually assessed and recorded, and the goals are set accordingly. The school takes pride in the activity-based learning with a theme for each week, like academic, social interaction, communication skills, and fine and gross motor development, self-care and development, and meal plan for each day. The school adopts the fusion of the East and West in each methodology of teaching. The school offers co-curricular activities like Western dance, salsa, Carnatic music, keyboard, Vedic math, abacus, art and craft, yoga, guitar, Bharatanatyam, and vocal music. Also, club activities like Math Club, English Club, Science Club, GK Club are organized to encourage the children. This academic year, 2010, was dotted with many fun-filled events, important dates and events. On 5th June 2010, Environmental Day was celebrated by planting trees by students and staff. Math and Science Club were inaugurated on 7th of July 2010. On 14th of August 2010, an orientation program was conducted for the parents of the KG section. On 15th August, the school proudly celebrated the Independence Day. The chief guest was Captain S.S. Gandhi. On 4th September, Teachers' Day celebrations were organized by the Parents Association at the Kalapatti campus and honored the management, teaching and non-teaching staff by giving mementos. At the Kaniyur campus too, it was a memorable day for the teachers. On 15th September, primary students were out on a field trip to Aliyar Dam, and on 18th February 2011, they enjoyed the tour of the Gas Forest Museum. Parents' assembly was conducted for each term, and they were happy to see their children's performance. On 22nd September 2010 and 25th January 2011, kindergarten students of both the campuses were taken to VOC Park. On 9th October and 13th November 2010, Dr. Bhavani Ramachandran, Principal and Chief Advisor of Park Global School, conducted a workshop for all the teachers. On 12th October, the kindergarten exhibition was conducted. Various competitions were held during the Math and Science exhibition held on 13th October for the primary division with active participation of other school children. The chief guest was Dr. K. Ramachand, scientist, DRDO. Children wore different costumes and celebrated Halloween's Day on 29th December 2010. Christmas was celebrated and Santa Claus distributed sweets and gifts, and a movie about the birth of Jesus Christ was screened. On 4th January 2011, Kindergarten Science Lab was conducted and traffic signals and parts of the body were taught to the students. On 13th January 2011, Pongal was celebrated with students coming in colorful and traditional costumes. Sweet Pongal was distributed. At Park Global School, each child's birthday is celebrated. we stand unique in maintaining the health records of our students meticulously. We maintain a hygienically maintained modern kitchen. Our sub-staffs are trained to be clean and wear aprons and gloves while serving food. A copy of the monthly menu is given to all parents. Teachers train children to observe table manners. A very balanced, tasty lunch, snacks, including fruits and vegetables, is offered to our children every day. During the busy academic activities, prep time was allotted to encourage students' performance. Our merit card is in line with CBSE norms and was introduced during this academic year. It is mandatory for a child to secure 60% and above in all the main subjects to obtain a merit card, and many children were successful. We congratulate them and motivate other children. Talents Show was organized for the primary children. This is to bring out the talents in each child so that it is enhanced further. At this juncture, the school takes pride in KP Shanti, who has won many laurels in sports. In a short span from December 2010 to February 2011, she had bagged many gold and silver medals in pole vault, triple jump, relay and hurdles in the district, state, national and Asia level athletic championships in India and Malaysia. We are proud to have KP Shanti amongst us and wish her many more accolades in the future. We ensure to promote all the co-curricular activities. A comfortable transport facility is to be organized. Admissions are going on to full capacity and we are in the process of recruiting qualified and skilled teachers for the next academic year. The management and staff extend their sincere thanks to all parents who have reposed their faith in us. We will walk that extra mile for you to give our children the best education at par with the rest in the world.